History isn't just names and dates. It's alive. Hidden in these faded photos are stories waiting to breathe again. On this channel, I use AI to restore and animate forgotten moments, giving them a second life. Today, we're diving into 10 rare snapshots that show the 20th century like you've never seen it. Hope in ruins, absurdity in science, and humanity in the unlikeliest places. But here's a question for you. If you could step into one of these photos, which would it be? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. This is a one-person passion project, powered by AI, but fueled by your curiosity. Let's begin. Chimney sweep, Munich, 1950. Meet an unlikely symbol of hope. A chimney sweep in post-war Munich. Germany lay in ruins, but this man's work meant warmth, survival, even luck. His soot-stained uniform hid a quiet heroism. While cities rebuilt, he kept homes from freezing, one chimney at a time. Notice the determination in his posture? That's the spirit of a nation rising from ashes. Women's dog race, USA, 1927. The Roaring Twenties weren't just about jazz and flappers. Here, women and their dogs race, not for medals but for sheer joy. In 1927, this was rebellion. Female athletes, side by side with their pets, breaking rules and stereotypes. The crowd's laughter, louder than any finish line. Soviet and American soldiers, Torgau, 1945. April 25, 1945. Two armies meet at the Elbe River. Just days before Hitler's fall, these men, enemies on paper, clasp hands like brothers. The war wasn't over, but for this moment, humanity won. Their grins say it all: we survived. Hemingway at work, Cuba, 1946. Hemingway's sanctuary. Surrounded by cats and crumpled drafts, he wrestles with the old man and the sea. That furball on his desk, his toughest critic. Here, genius wasn't glamorous. It was sweat, whiskey, and a stubborn refusal to quit. Soviet cowshed construction, 1984. A masterpiece of Soviet absurdity. Half-built walls, cows peeking through gaps. This photo screams planned economy gone wild. Yet somehow it worked, or didn't. Either way, it's a metaphor with hooves. Children taking fish oil, 1960. The 60s immune system starter pack. A spoonful of liquid torture. These kids didn't just swallow fish oil, they built resilience. Today's vitamins are gentler, but did they make us tougher? Discuss. Norwegian family, 1910. Genetics called, they said copy-paste. This family's identical scowls weren't just mood, they were survival. In frozen Norway, emotions were a luxury. Fun fact, their descendants probably still own that sweater. Soviet dad on a railing, 1964. Rebel parenting, USSR style. This dad balances childcare, literature, and balcony acrobatics, while looking impossibly cool. Textbook? No. Iconic? Absolutely. Shock therapy, Europe, 1910. When more voltage was the answer to everything. This treatment for rheumatism? Without these wild experiments, modern medicine might still be leeches and prayers. Awkward gymnastics, 1930s. Is this therapy? Flirting? Lost Olympic trials? The 1930s left no manual, just proof that awkwardness is timeless. From a sweep's soot to a soldier's embrace, these photos pulse with life because they're human, flawed, funny, fighting. So tell me, which moment resonated with you? The absurd, the heroic, or the quietly ordinary? Drop a comment, smash that like button, and subscribe to Pulse of History TV. Every restoration, every frame. It's just me and AI, digging up the past to spark conversations about our future. What should we restore next? Thanks for watching, and remember, history isn't behind us. It's looking right back.